Hi, this is Mr. Zakau. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Mr. Zakau. And as we can see, many of the people in the field are gathering around here to debate our best performance in the match. So the match has been conducted between the two villages, Merbang Suba and Khantalguri. Here we can see the big round of applause for all the members and the teams and the players who have participated in this match. And so here you can see many people gathering around here, and the tickets which were sold in this devout match is very high, so the people are very less to be seen here. And so we will talk with one of our audience around here, that is Mr. Muluk. Mr. Muluk Boro.
Yes.
बोरै मोनखो बे गेमखौ नायनानै?
गेमाथ' थिगानो डेन्जार सोलिगासिनो दा बुखावला बुखावसि सोरबा सिक्स हरदो सोरबा सिक्स बुजादो सोरबा गाबलाय लांदोबो हनै थि गाबदो ओइ थि रंजादो
टारगेटाथ' एसे खमथार 66 टारगेट नोंथाङा बे मेचनि सायाव मा बुङो?
मेचनि सायाव आं मा बुंनो आंथ' रोङाबो गेलेनोबो रोङोमोन सिगां बावगारबाय आं बावगारना थाबायना रोंला दाना रोंफिनगोन र' देनां बोरायबा इनाव सोंलाय
इउटिउबारनि फंनैसो जों बिबुंथि खोनासंगोन।
खेलायाथ' जादों दायो जानाया बिराद मोजां जादों स्करा जोंहा
कमेडि बुंनांगौ
माबा जाबाय 66 खिन्थु बुनायाथ' बुदोंमोनलै दहाय बिरादनो जोंनाबो ओमफ्राय दा नै दा एगेन्स्ट पार्टिया बुगासिनो जोंनिखौ मथा मथि 6 अभारसोआव कमप्लिट जागोनसो बायदि मोनलायलांबाय आं नायनानै
जोंना नुदो
जोंनिया
गस्ला गानिखौ होनानै
दा खेलारिफ्राथ' बहुत दङ बेयाव नायगासिनो दं जों नायनानै नै दाबो 6 थांलायबाय 6 खनसे थांबावबाय दा मा जागोन दा खेलायाथ' 6 अभारावनो कमप्लिट जागोन बायदि मोनो।
नोंथांमोननि बिबुंथि बे क्रिकेटनि सायाव बिबुंथि लाखिनायनि थाखाय जोबोद साबायखर।
थेंक इउ।
So around this stadium we can see a large amount of pads. Those were the Bodoland pads. We have seen wild boar around the stadium and fewer chickens. So those were the peoples around here. So that was the devout match played between the two villages. So the next match will be conducted soon, as will be declared by the Board of Cricket, Merbang Suba.
Yes.
So here are one of our audience, that is Partip. Oh, Adibasi ko. That was the biggest catch caught by one of our players. So thanks for watching this channel, and please don't forget to like or subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon within the link description given below. So thanks for watching. Thank you very much.